Hello America, welcome back to Mullet Man University. Today we're going to go over why does my GE dryer make a whole lot of scraping and screeching noise. Well, one or two possible things. Got some props here for you because we can't actually open it, but if we look in here, okay, you see the drum. Problem is you can't see what the drum rides on and how it actually, rolls around the thing. So I brought you a prop today, okay? Almost all your GE dryers have a thing that's like this that actually sits right about here like this, okay? And you see this, and you see this? There's little tabs that go on there. They're little hardened plastic that the drum rolls on. They're mixed with something to make them actually nice and slidable. What happens is, if your dryer is a few years old, what's going to happen is these are going to go away, and then you're going to have metal on plastic. It will work for a little while, but then it'll start making that screeching sound, okay? If that's the case, you have a problem. Okay, so when you first start hearing it making scraping sounds, you want to stop and have someone look at it, or go online, get a YouTube video on how to take it apart yourself if you're mechanically inclined. If you're not mechanically inclined, call somebody, because replacing these is relatively affordable. Replacing this can get real expensive real fast, okay? But this is generally why most of your GE dryers will actually have a screeching sound or scraping sound, is because, like I said, you've got metal on plastic and it just tears it up and eats it up, okay? So don't forget to like this YouTube channel and come back for more, and don't forget subscription is always a great thing too. Have a good day.